Argyter was a British judge who lived in, he practiced in Calcutta in 1920s. True to his profession, he would not say something randomly. He wanted evidence, examine the evidence, and then come up with the facts and claims. So he studied, that time Aryan invasion was a very big thing, linguistics. He made a deep study in this book, Indian Historical Tradition. You can download this book and read it. And he said, the current theory, Aryan invasion, must account for these facts. Indian tradition knows nothing whatsoever about Aryan invasion, what I told you in the previous slide. And he's saying that a whole lot of things. Bottom line is saying all this tradition was falsely fabricated. Truth is absolutely lost if the current theory is right. He's brought about 7 facts of the Indian civilization. And he's saying if Aryan theory is right, Aryan invasion, then all of this Indian tradition is wrong and must be thrown out. And he's saying if all this tradition is false, why, how, whose interest was it fabricated? Was there a grand conspiracy in India, all the rishis over different periods of time and chronology saying, let's fabricate the evidence so that we're an ancient people? Is that possible? Is that what happened? Those are the logical questions he's asking. He's saying Indian tradition suggests a reverse origin for the Aryans. Linguistic theory says Indians came from the Aryans, right? Sorry, Iranians. So Aryans, Iranians into India. That is the thinking. But he's saying the internal evidence of India suggests a different origin. So he was one of the first people who attacked this Aryan invasion theory. But his voice was drowned out very early.